What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. Right now, I am going to show you 3 products that are selling well. We are going to check them together. I am going to jump into each listing, and also I am going to jump into the sales date. And from this video, what you are going to learn by using the eBay product page, you are going to learn how to check a product that actually selling well right now in eBay, and jump over to Alibaba to know if the product is available for us to import ourselves. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's jump right into the video. So right now, what are the 3 products that are selling well on eBay, and what is the method to find products that you can sell? And you need to bear in your mind this: I have only used the main eBay website and I haven't checked the sales rate to check if these products are selling well right now on eBay. And need to bear in mind that to check the sales rate, you are going to have to do a bit more research, and to have a great opportunity to sell it yourself, you need to use Dropshipping. So now I'm going to show you the 3 products that are selling well on eBay. So let's jump right into it. Now, what is the first product? The first product is Bluo Earbuds, and to have an idea of what they look like, I will show you a picture. Here we go, and as you can see here, 3k sold, and if your feedback is a lot higher than that, you have got a high chance of selling it. This particular product is definitely a product that you should start with and sell it on eBay. So what you are going to do now, we are gonna check if it's available for us to import or not. So let's jump over to Alibaba and search for Bluetooth earbuds. We need to find the exact same one. It's basically the same item I'm saying, and this seller has got 4 years. So this is definitely a product that you should look at selling and start with. Now let's move to the next one, which is a wireless Wi-Fi CCTV camera. As you can see, 48 sold. So what you are going to do now is click into it to know if this product is selling well right now or not. And I think this product is selling well right now, and you can start selling it. So what we are gonna do now is to check if the product is available for us to import or not. So let's jump over to Alibaba and have a look. Now we need to tab or search for Wi-Fi CCTV camera. I have clicked on this product. It might not be the exact same one, but I think it's very close, and if we look hard enough, we may be able to find a similar product on Alibaba. So this is definitely a product that you should look at selling. Let's move to the next one. I am going to show you something a little bit different. It's not an electrical one. So the product that we are looking at is a ponion corrector. As you can see here, 4k sold. You might be able to do a better job than the seller if you want to start selling this product. So around this particular product, you might be able to pass your whole eBay store. And as you can see here, they have sold 4k of this product. They have made a lot of money from this particular product. This is definitely a product that's selling well. Now we need to jump on Alibaba and search that particular product. So I have just jumped over to Alibaba.com and tapped in ponion corrector. Now we need to have a look and see if we can find something similar to that one that we just looked at on eBay. Now I'm going to scroll down and have a look. The first one here is completely different, so let's keep scrolling. There is one here. It does look like a very close match. It looks very similar to that one that we just looked at on eBay. It's good, that tab right there. So this is a product that we can definitely start importing today and be able to import this product, and this supply has been on there for 7 years. So you can start selling these products if you want, but you need to know this before you import this product and start selling it yourself. You need to use Dropshipping to make sure that that product has a high sales rate. So that's in the end. If you want to learn about building a business on eBay, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out on any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.